Hey, I just discovered this feature thanks to Michel Gebink that you can create a Word document and PowerPoint document in the Biz chat, but it's not really uh, predictable. I tried it several times and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I guess it's in preview. So the secret is to do that in two steps. So you first you prompt to get a content, and then you ask to create a PowerPoint or a Word document from the result of the prompt. So let's try that. I said list of French of League One soccer teams and their stadium. So that's standard thing, standard prompt. And now I'm gonna say make it a presentation or make it a PowerPoint. I don't know. Let's try with presentation. And here you have the file. So let's open it. Still, it's generated by Python. There is the file, and there's no design. I don't know how you choose the template. Probably here the blank template, but definitely it did the work. Um, so I hope in the future you can give more explanation of what you want when you want to create the presentation. Maybe the template layout images, create images based on the content, whatever. And eventually you can continue with Copilot directly in the PowerPoint presentation if you save it in OneDrive or SharePoint. It's creating the document on your PC. So I guess I didn't check if it was in the download section, but it's not stored um, in Microsoft 365, or at least might be stored somewhere. Actually, for Excel file was stored in an Outlook blob, but here it must be the same. So when you click on it, it downloads it. So let's see if I can now say, I didn't try that yet, make a Word document. See if we have the same kind of results. And again, if you look, there's a code here. So um, I'm not a coder, so I guess with JSON you can create a Word document because see print. Basically, Office document or XML document, so you can create simple documents like that. So let's open it. Oh, there's some. Oh, that's interesting because here there's some layout. So we made a better effort at least. Okay. Um, but I want to show you that if I try to do something more complicated, because for example, create a layout to present Copilot agents, the different types, the use cases, how it will transform, how we work. So basically, I have an output that should be used to create a PowerPoint presentation. And here, if I say make a presentation. It's not doing it. It's just reiterating um, in the chat. So I wanted to share that. It's not clear what are the limitations for it to create a presentation. What's sure is you need to do two steps. First, generate a result through a prompt, and then say, create that as a Word document, PowerPoint, with some restriction. Obviously, I don't know. Can try a Word document shouldn't be a problem. So let's try make a document. Okay, so it makes differently. You see the layout is different, but still in the chat it's not a document. Let's say, okay, make this a Word document. Trying to force it to understand what I'm trying to do. Because basically here it's just a copy paste. Oh, okay, okay. Apparently, yeah, wow. So 3 steps here. I'm not sure how it works. It's interesting to see that, we're always discovering something new. It's evolving all the time. That's what is so interesting about, and it creates really sections and okay, that's interesting. At least I have my Word document, and now I can use the Word document to inject in a PowerPoint if I want to. So there's a way around. I encourage to play with it, discover it, find the limitation. Maybe you're gonna have a good explanation on what is the best process to use this. But what is really cool is to be able to create Excel file, Word file, PowerPoint file from a prompt, from two prompts first, the result, and then create the prompt. It can save a lot of time in different situations. It doesn't solve the world problems. As usual, Copilot is not really replacing people. It's just enhancing us with nice enhancement that can empower you. Hope this was insightful.